One controller, one software, one connection. Truly integrated machine control. Unifying advanced motion, machine vision, sequential logic, and fast, real-time EtherCAT communications is now a reality with OMRON's SysMac machine automation platform. OMRON remains committed to delivering the highest performance in machine control by understanding and addressing specific application requirements. OMRON designs the means to more effectively meet these requirements into our machine automation controllers, partnering with customers to help them develop faster throughput, lower downtime, more stable, and more reliable automation solutions. To see firsthand how this integration of both hardware and automation knowledge works, let's examine a process that is commonly automated across a wide range of industries: material winding. This application presents many control challenges, and the OMRON SysMac platform addresses all of them. Thin film battery construction is one technique used to make small, high-capacity batteries, such as those used in smartphones, where a ribbon of thin film material is wound by machine around a cylindrical or flat core. It sounds simple enough, but there are many challenges in this application. To achieve a perfectly wound battery, each new layer must be exactly aligned with the layer beneath it. If not, the material is said to meander, compromising the performance of the final product. Uneven tension also affects the characteristics of the film and thus battery performance. The velocity of the ribbon must be carefully controlled at high speeds to eliminate breakage, entrapment of air between the layers, or changing tension due to frictional forces. And just when you think you have all the factors under control, consider this. As the radius of the finished product increases, or the angle between the material and core changes, the parameters of speed and tension must be continuously modified to achieve a perfect wind. One controller, one software, one connection. The SysMac platform easily meets all these application-specific challenges. At the heart of the SysMac platform is the high-speed NJ machine automation controller. Consistency of speed and tension are required to keep the material aligned during acceleration and faster winding speeds. The NJ controller and encoders monitor the winding process, calculate the radius of the wound material in real time, and process this information to correct wind-up motor speed. Tension of the material is affected by many factors, including acceleration, deceleration, inertia, and roller friction. Using a feed-forward control strategy, the NJ controller can anticipate these changing parameters and constantly recalculate and apply new torque values, maintaining constant tension and better control. This advanced feed-forward control strategy is easily implemented in the NJ controller. The NJ controller also provides a significant speed advantage. Conventional controllers, using only single precision math or longer cycle times, often require multiple units at twice the cost. In contrast, with faster cycle times and double precision math, the NJ controller is the clear choice in high-speed applications common in today's automated manufacturing. The single NJ machine automation controller not only does calculations faster, but also executes user-written programs and assesses and corrects up to 32 axes of motion 2,000 times every second. The advantage is a single controller that can both sense deviation and act quickly. This winding application requires the configuration and initialization of many sensors, servo motors, servo drives, communication networks, and operator interface, not to mention the application-specific programming to automate the entire process. In this application, SysMac Studio, OMRON's configuration, programming, and test environment enabled the machine builder to accomplish all these tasks quickly and with the confidence that all parts of the system will work together flawlessly in the final design. SysMac Studio provides many time-saving advantages for the programmer, including simplified coding and variable assignment. For example, compare the more traditional way of defining a needed math instruction for this winding application versus the variable definition that includes the calculation shown here. SysMac Studio provides simulation, monitoring, and a sophisticated troubleshooting environment. These help identify bottlenecks to proper machine operation and assure the control strategy is working correctly. Electrically interconnecting the many pieces of hardware required for the winding application is a formidable task. To simplify this process, OMRON's SysMac automation platform supports both Ethernet IP and EtherCAT industrial networks. This networked approach to equipment interconnection and communications greatly simplifies the physical wiring needed to add or replace components. It increases system reliability, shortens build time, and speeds troubleshooting and maintenance. Once the challenge of this winding application is clearly understood, it is easy to see how OMRON's SYSMAC automation platform brings solutions and added value to similar applications by reducing the cost of machine design, construction, testing, and time to market. Contact an OMRON representative to discuss your applications and see how OMRON technology can help you produce superior products, having the highest competitive value in the marketplace.